Welcome back to Dolo's Garage. This is part 4. I swear to God, this will be the last one. I just couldn't post the other videos without having the completion. So this is where we're at. You can see the pole again. Pretty awesome. Just got 9 million fucking bugs in there. So yeah, definitely stay tuned, man. We're gonna get this fucker taken off for today. Stay tuned now. Alright. Would you look at that, huh? And it looks like all this ring did was slid down because it should be up here. So I think I can slide that back up, because as you see, that goes at an angle, and that's up there. Just got this one piece to get off. Yes, sir. Be right back. Well, alright. There you have it. 4 days later, and the son of a bitch is finally done. I just gotta fix that post, but it's actually on this piece here, so I'll slide it up, try to pull the lengths of the fence up. Maybe grab some twine type wire, wrap it around. But goodness, there you have it. All done. Now I just gotta work on these vine pieces that are hanging. But yeah, man. Thanks for watching Dolo's Harbor Freight tree cutting extravaganza, or escapade, or just craziness. Anyway, man, definitely like and subscribe. It's always awesome. And we will be posting new videos soon, and that will be on the Earth Dog. So stay tuned. Like I said, like and subscribe. Always appreciated. And we will be putting out some new videos. So stay tuned. Dolo's Garage.